Hello, thank you for joining this video. Here we'll explore the shopping cart of your store. So first of all, we need to go to our theme customizer. And once we're here, we need to go to the home page. So here is our home page and we need to go to the cart drawer. Okay, so what do we have here? Here we can change the heading of the cart. So let's pull up our store here. So here's our cart. We have one product already in here. So we have the name of shopping cart. So for example, we can change it to your cart. And if we refresh the page after saving the changes, we'll see that the cart is now renamed to your cart. Okay, and also as you can see, we have one product in the shopping cart already. And next to your cart, we have this count of the products, how many products we have in our cart. So you can easily show this or choose to unshow it by clicking on here. So it says show items count in the cart. If we untick this, save our changes, refresh the page of the store, we can see that we don't have this count near the cart name anymore. Okay, and also here you can have the option to show gift wrap buttons. So if you offer your clients the gift wrap, it will be available here if you tick this option. You can learn more about the gift wraps option in the game Shopify scene by checking one of our other videos. Thank you. Okay, and now let's return to the cart drawer. So then we return to this page and we can see what blocks do we have in the cart drawer. So of course we have the items. We also have the option to upsell. So we have you might also like section where we can add more products that, let's say, go along with other products that the client has purchased, or we just want to upsell these products. So we added 3 products here, saved our changes, and now let's go back to our shopping cart. And once we open it, here we see that products are displayed in the shopping cart. So we have the name you might also like, but if you want, you can change the name here in the heading section. And also we have the shipping bar option. So if you've noticed, once I'm on the shopping cart, I have this notification. So it says you're only $61 away from free shipping, and you can set up this option from here. So we have the shipping bar, we have the free shipping amount, so you can choose it at any amount that you'd prefer. Also, we have this shipping message, which says you're only a certain amount away from free shipping, and once the client reaches the goal amount, you can change this text from you got free shipping to whatever you'd prefer, and also add a congratulatory icon. So all of these can be done from here. Okay, so now let's also go to our theme settings to cart section and see what we have in here. So first of all, we can change the cart type from drawer to page. So if I change it back to page and save my changes, we can refresh the page of our store. So once I pull up the shopping cart, it's not a drawer, it's a separate page. So if you want, you can of course change it to page, or you can choose it to save as the cart drawer. So let me just refresh the page here. And let's see what else we can show here. So we can choose to either show the product vendor or not. We can choose to show cart notes. So here in the shopping cart, sorry, let me refresh the page so that it's back to cart drawer. Also, we have here add a note to your cart. So for example, if your clients want to leave a message to you, here is the option for it. So here is the note section, and you can choose to either show it or hide it. You can also choose to show text and shipping message and use the dynamic checkout buttons. Also, here is the option to show payment types. So for example, if you only accept certain types of payments, you can click here, and then there will be displayed the only options that are available in this store. So make sure that you've connected your store to certain type of payment methods so that your clients can see here what types of payments you accept. So this will look like this. Okay, and next section, we can change the checkout button, we can change the name, We can also choose to show cart notifications. So as of now, when the client chooses to add a product, so it's like we can see the pulled up cart drawer, but if we click on show cart notifications and save our changes, when the client adds the new product, they will, let me just a second, so refresh the page. When they add a new product, then they can get this notification that the product was added to their cart. So you can choose to either show this notification or not. And now let's go to the settings of the empty cart. So first of all, let me make my cart empty, and then we'll return here. Okay, so what do we have here? We have the empty cart link text, empty cart heading, so you can rename it to anything you want. You can also choose to show continue shopping link. So here is how it looks like. When my cart is empty, I click on it, I get notification that my cart is empty, and I can go to continue shopping. And here is these settings, so you can choose the name continue shopping or whatever you'd prefer. And if you want the client to click on this continue shopping and go to maybe specific collection or maybe all of your products, you can easily link up it here. So we have the empty cart link URL. We can click here, choose products, for example, all products, and save our changes. So now if the client has an empty cart, they can click on continue shopping and they'll see all of the products available in your store or specific collections if you link them up here. Okay, and the last settings that we have available here are the minimum order amount. So for example, if you only process the orders that have the minimum amount, you can easily enable it here. So you just need to click on enable, save the changes, set your goal amount. So for example, let it be $100 or 100 any currency that your store has. So we go back to our product, we click on add cart, we open our cart, and we see that we cannot proceed to the checkout because we haven't reached the minimum order amount. So if this option works for your store, you can easily enable it here or disable if you do not need this option to be here. So thank you very much for your time. This was the instruction on how to navigate, how to set up your shopping cart. And if you have any questions, feel free to get in touch with our support team. And also don't forget about our theme manual. You can always find very useful information here. Thank you for your time. Have a great day. Bye.